Hi, it's Carol Lee from Habits to Happiness. This week we had a blue moon and a super moon, and I was fortunate to be able to get a beautiful 1 minute of just looking across the Georgia Strait from Vancouver to the Gulf Islands. So enjoy a minute. And a blue moon is when there's two full moons in 1 month, and a super moon is when the moon is closest to the Earth. So we did get a spectacular display. Enjoy a minute. Thank you for joining me for a minute, and I hope you had a peaceful minute just watching a blue supermoon. Talk again tomorrow.